Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Friday, the 20th of September. It's around 11:30 in the morning, 12, something like that. And I am here at the Hartes demolition site. Oh, cardboard recycling, that's going to be wooden stuff. And we're just going to take a look around. We're truly at the end now. It looks like that big boiler has possibly gone. We saw yesterday. It's on that thing. I'm going to have a look in. That's where it was. Zooming there. And I think now, let's come out of it. There we go. You can see it there. It remains there. So if you yank that out at some point, all the corners gone. Let's just go in again a little bit on the end, assuming I can keep the camera steady. It sharpens up, there you go. That's the corner bit where the lift shaft was. So that's gone totally. It's all pretty flat there. So let's have a full-on walk around. It's going to be a bit of a different walk around today, guys, because Waterloo Road is open again now. So we're going to have to just walk right alongside of the fence. Let's have a look down there at the basement bit. So that's the old basement. You can see down there. All kinds of stuff going in there, but now it is mainly clearing up and filling in. But we've seen pretty much the whole thing. I know personally I've definitely missed some bits, but move down here a little bit. There we go. There you can see that. We're mainly getting like the really fine small stones and soily bits and pulling the bigger bits out. So we can see now that the Bond Street here is still closed, but up there Waterloo Road is now open. Big road closed sign still there. You can squeeze in here and watch. Interestingly, we look here, you can see all that sand. It's a lot of sand. And if you watch my videos when they were doing Bonnie Street, Central Drive, Chapel Street car park, when they dug all that out and they had to dig super duper deep, that was all sand now. Under there, there's our big stone that we saw yesterday. That gigantic stone that we saw yesterday, and you can see there all that sand down there, because as we know, under everything here is just sand. We'll get a better view of our big stone there. That's going to make some hefty foundations, isn't it? Down the side. Oh look, there's a handy camera shaped hole there. You know, they've made that there just for me. Let's go in there. Out a bit. There you go, that's a great view down there. Look at that. See, they knew it was coming, so they made me a camera hole. So yeah, everything right so far down here, underneath, it's sand at some point, because the Bonny Street, Chapel Street, Central Drive car park area, that was just tons and tons and tons and piles of sand. And if you haven't seen those videos, I do have a full playlist, and the early ones are really cool. Because when they were digging out that car park area, they had to dig so deep, and it was full, well, not full of water, but it had quite a bit of water inside at some point. So that's the remaining wall and the remaining bricks and the remaining backside. Let's nip down here. We can go down here now because it's not blocked off, it's opened up nicely. And we can take a good look now. The back wall's all down, everything's down and done. I mean, they've still got the concrete floor here. I'd imagine that's going to have to come up before they build anything else. We've got the last corner of the building left actually here. Just this last wall there. And I would imagine that's the bottom of the stairs and the old elevator goods lift, isn't it, that bit there? So that bit here is still going to have to come down at some point. Got that nice corner bit there, that's still there. But for the most part, guys, everything's more or less done today. And it's Friday, as I already mentioned, and normally I work Friday. Today I am off because I am going to the Grand Theatre tonight with my daughter, and we're going to go and see a show, and that's going to be so cool. And I'm also off tomorrow, because I figured if I'm going to book the Friday off, because I've got loads of annual leave hours, so I thought if I'm going to book the Friday off, I'll try and do the Saturday as well, so I can enjoy the show and go home really, you know, with that feel good, relaxed feeling, and not feel like, ugh, I've got to get up in so many hours. So seeing as I'm off work tomorrow, I will come down and give you folks an update tomorrow, because this is going to be the only video of this site that I do today. I just wanted to do a full walk around and give you guys a complete morning update. So, but this is the only video I'm going to do here today, because I'm going to relax this afternoon, then I'm going to get ready to go out tonight, and I'm going to have a good time tonight. So tomorrow we'll come round and we'll have another update. Don't think there'll be any work going on tomorrow, but we'll get to see how much changes have been done to the site, and just how much has been filled in, how much has been moved. But we're definitely close to the end now, definitely. Well folks, that is your daily update on the Hartes building demolition site. Hope you enjoyed this little walk around and update. And I'm going to go now. So I'm just going to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, those of you that have subscribed, and thank you for following the series. And I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Goodbye.